Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Connor. This is a Land Rover Defender 110, one of the later years versions, about 2015. It's come in for a lot of stuff for us to do. First of all, we wanted to protect it, so we put security on it via an alarm. He wanted it to sound better, so we put an audio system upgrade in it, which I will show you. We then wanted to make his manoeuvrability easy on the car, so we put not one, not two, but 3 parking cameras on it, all working through the humongous Kenwood 10-inch screen, which we'll also show you. So let's go around it, have a bit of a close-up and show you what we've done so far. So going around the back, we got the park safe parking sensors that go underneath the bumper. So there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're designed for vehicles that have a tow bar and a spare wheel mounted on the back, so they're perfect for this application. If we look underneath here, we got the first of the 3 cameras, which you can just about see. Let me zoom in. That camera there is specifically designed to see the tow bar, so the customer can easily maneuver up without having to have someone looking back guiding him. All right. Now for reversing, we put the camera at the top. This is the new KENWOOD 740HD camera mounted right top. Now the picture resolution on this, you've got to see it to believe it. It is unreal, so much better than 99% of the cameras out there. And if 2 cameras weren't enough, he's then got a front camera mounted in the front grille there to help with him getting close up to basically see, obviously anything here, walls, cars, obstacles. It's, to be fair, better than having parking sensors. This camera can see basically the number plate, so you can get a good perspective view, and it can also see all the way to that wall, and I'll show you that view in a second. Now let's go in and have a close-up of inside. Well, actually, before we do that, have a look at the beasting aerial. So if it had new aerial on the wing, that's for DAB and FM and AM. Now there's the Kenwood 10-inch absolute monster fitted. Turn the ignition on. There you go, wait for that to boot up. Get the standard logo we upload. It's a Land Rover logo, obviously. Buttons are being relocated to here. And down here is actually the button that changes the angle of the tow bar camera. I'll show you that when this system turns on. Right. Oh yeah, twin flush USB down there as well, which is nice. Nice and flush and neat. There we go, so we've got the system on now. So let's show you what all the cameras look like first. So I'm going to put it in reverse. Oh, hang on. We'll actually turn the ignition on. There we go. Camera comes on in reverse. Ignore the lines on the screen. That's our fluorescent lighting. And then that's the parking sensor you can hear at the back as well. So then what we can do is we can choose the front camera. And then we can also, look how the front camera, you can see the number plate there, but you can also see all the way up the yard. It's a brilliant view, this camera. The left camera is the tow bar. There you go. And even underneath that area, you can see so much. And if I push the button down here with my finger, you can see the angle change. You can get a bird's eye view of the tow bar to get perfectly matched up to it. Corner view, wide angle or super wide angle or tow bar view. And then the customer then can change back to the rear camera or the front camera. When you take it out of reverse, it actually puts the front camera on the screen for 10 seconds, so perfect for manoeuvring around, really useful. Love this Kenwood screen, definitely one of the best out there. Other than that, the Clifford alarm, let's give you a bit of a lowdown on that. That's the remote there. All right, so with this, you've got 2 points of mobilisation, so far unlikely to steal this car than one without the Clifford on it. You've got anti-hijack blackjacks feature. If you want to know more about that, drop us a line. But otherwise, yeah, lock and unlock. You've got the proximity sensor as well, so if you walk up to the 2 front windows, you're going to get an audible chirp to say it's got an alarm and not just a blue flashing LED. LED is mounted just here. Can't see much in the daylight at the moment, but at night time that lights up the whole cabin. It's so super bright. Feels like a bit of a rush video, but time is a restraint here sometimes. So I think that is it for this job. Yeah, everything else is behind the scenes. You've probably seen some B-roll across the video to show what stuff looks like behind. But yeah, other than that, that is it for this Defender. If you like what you see, drop us a line, drop a comment, ask any questions, like and subscribe to our channel, email us at info@johnkleis.com. But otherwise, my name's Connor. This is me signing off. See you later. Bye-bye.